Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking. Good morning from Dessau, where we're not supposed to be in fact, because yesterday I had actually thought I'd booked something in Roslaw, 6k away, but I made a mistake because I actually booked it for tonight, which did not make any sense for us. So we had to find a different hotel, and that was this Radisson SAS hotel here in Dessau, and that was actually fantastic. Very good price. Maybe it was a weekend price, 62 euros. Yeah, very happy with that. Now so we are going to go to Magdeburg, which is the shortest ride so far, 70k. So we'll just take it super easy today, and well, hopefully we'll see some interesting things along the way. All right, let's go. So what you see here is the old Wörlitzer Bahnhof railway station, and what they did with the old premises, they made a bike stand out of it. Fantastic, very good. Well done, Dessau. Well, they should of course do something special with the buildings, because I don't know if you know, but Dessau is quite famous for the architecture, the movement Bauhaus that took root here after they pretty much fled Weimar in 1925 or something, I believe. Yeah, and I think the next stop will be in fact the old Bauhaus building or structure. So well, maybe I can dig up some information for you. Yeah, so let's just head over there. Right, here we are. I think these are the old buildings. That represent the Bauhaus movement, the architectural movement. They were very, very influential in the early 20s in Europe. Yeah, this was considered very modern. In fact, yeah, you can argue that it's still very modern. And that used to house the high school, I think, of architecture and design and stuff like that. But as you probably know, Europe at the time was in quite a bit of turmoil. We just left World War I, and I think in 25, 26, the whole movement moved from Weimar, where they were pretty much chased off, to Dessau. But yeah, they met with very right-wing municipal government as well, and as soon as the Nazis came into power, yeah, they wanted to close down everything and destroy it and all these things. So it's been quite a bit of effort that they actually restored, I think, quite a bit of these beautiful buildings. Yeah, quite a few very, very well-known architects came from this. Walter Gropius, pretty much the founder, and Mies van der Rohe, very well-known name in the world of architects. Well, it's good to have seen it. Now we are hoping to catch up with the Elbe River once again, because yesterday we only had a few glances. All right, enough babbling, let's go. Back in the Elbe. Here we are again, the Elbe. Nice. Elbe. So cute, those storks. Right, we're about to take another ferry and then cross over to Barbie and then hopefully coffee. So see you there. I think we'll have a glance at the Elbe River again for the first time in a couple of hours. But we're very much closing in on Magdeburg and a couple of highlights, I hope. So, yay! Well, it's a change from all the locks you see normally on bridges. Cool. Well, as you may have gathered, we've entered Magdeburg and we'll try and find out a few highlights here and then find our lodging for tonight. And then tomorrow morning, yeah, sad departures. Arjan's going home by train and I am going back to collect my car, which is still in the north of the Czech Republic, so it's going to be a bit of a travels as well. And then I'll be picking up the whole route from Magdeburg myself in 3 or 4 days time. But of course, as video editing goes, you will see these things in sequence, so you wouldn't have missed a thing. Anyways, let's try and find a few highlights and see you there. So, look what we found here. Easter Bunny. I think it's called that way, right? Hasensäule. Well, not sure if it's the Easter Bunny, but it's quite cute. Yeah. Super. So, what you see before me is called the hundertwasser house. Hundertwasser obviously being the Austrian architect and artist that created this. No clue whether or not these houses are comfortable or economic in any way, but they're super cute. They look so out of place as well, like they belong in the Mediterranean or somewhere. So that's probably the cultural highlight of the day. Let's now find something to drink. See you later. Devil sauce. Cool. Well, this is a bit of a deja vu for me, as I've been to Magdeburg, I think 3 years ago maybe. Did a very short stint along the Elbe River. But I do remember this statue, Magdeburger Reiter. Okay, so this is the first of its kind in Germany. It's depicting Otto I, probably, a king who lived in 912. And this is made probably around 1240, they say, the original. So very old. Wow. And that's the old city hall that at some point has been rebuilt. Yeah, it says so, in 1698 to apparently a Dutch Renaissance style. I didn't even know we had it, but yeah, apparently this is it. I think that's it from all the highlights we have in store for you from Magdeburg. So Petjan and I will now head over to our lodging for tonight, and hopefully a beer or two. So hopefully see you in a next episode, but until then, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there, see you later. Cheers! Well, this is a very nice one.
Yes.
Our hostess informed us that the key to our apartment is attached to a grey bike. How bike friendly is that? I love it. Alright, with that I think we'll leave you from Magdeburg, so see you later.